Our good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and happy Monday to all of you. Hope you all had a great weekend. So today is September 17th of 2018. We have a couple of announcements, and these ones deal with teachers and staff. So morning announcements. So every morning I've been emailing teachers and staff all the morning announcements. So starting on Tuesday, September 18th, I'm going to start putting those in Canvas, so that you'd be able to check the Canvas site, teachers, to actually do the announcements. So I will be adding a tile there that will be called PES Announcements, and you'll be able to access all the announcements from that point from here on out, starting with Tuesday. Also, teachers and staff, the HRS survey links should be emailed to you, so you should have those with you now. So please complete that survey by the 28th of September. And also, teachers and staff, we have a brand new incentive program for you called Who is Your Superstar? So if you look in the week calendar events, you can see how that outlines about nominating somebody who's a superstar. And after 2 weeks, then it's possible that you who did the nomination for that star and yourself could earn a prize. So it could be gift cards, it could be things of gas cards, it could be Amazon, it could be lots of different prizes that you might get. So what you can do is those different tickets are found in the office and in the lounge, and the Superstar box is actually in the office on top of the mailboxes. Alright, let's get the lunch choices for today, boys and girls. So for our 3 choices, we have chicken tenders with waffle, one of my favorite meals, really, so is to have chicken and waffles. Cheese-filled Bosco sticks with sauce, and our sun butter and jelly sandwich. And of course, we have all the fixins that go with it. Broccoli, carrots, romaine lettuce, apples, oranges, peaches, orange juice, milk, all those type of things go with the different lunch choices. For our pause this week, what we're doing is this is the last week that we'll do role play, and then we'll go back to giving descriptions of pause. So for today's role play situation, what we have is a situation for a student that is running down the hall, and what 2 students do to make sure that she stops. So these students definitely did the right thing. They showed respect. They told her to stop. The one little boy put his hand out to say, stop, you need to stop running. And then they both got the same message about don't run in the hall. So very important to know, boys and girls, it's not a very good thing to be running, especially through the school. We have way too many stairs, and we have lots of people moving through the common areas all the time. So definitely always walk while you are in the building at all times. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. All right, it's that time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please stand, have your hand over your heart. Okay, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please stand, put your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, great job, boys and girls. So today is Monday. Remember, it's the start of a brand new week. Let's get excited. Let's get pumped up. Let's get through this week. I know that you guys can do it. Let's make some good choices, and let's make sure that we're doing the best that we possibly can. Thank you, and I'm sure I'll see you around at some point in time today. Have a great day.